Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Donnelly and I'm the Director of Library Services here at Georgian Court University. This video is designed to show you how to access holistic health resources using the GCU Library search box. First off, you're going to see these tabs up top, right above the search box. We're going to start with Search GCU Library, which basically searches everything and is a good place to start if you're really not quite sure of what you are looking for. Books limits to books, of course, but not just physical books. You will also find ebooks when you complete your search using this tab. Databases brings you to our library's A through Z database listing. Journalists is a place to go if you know the name of the journal you are looking for. We also have the Subject Research Guides tab, where you will find a vast knowledge base of over 60 plus research guides developed by our crack team of librarians. These guides are tailored to specific programs and even some to specific aspects of programs. Finally, there's the Ask a Librarian tab, which is where you can go to reach out to us if you need additional help. No, really, please ask a librarian. That's what we're here for. We absolutely love answering questions and helping out our students with their research. For this exercise, we're going to start off by searching the GCU library so I can show you how you might find some of our key holistic health related resources and where to find them. So we're going to search using the keyword alternative medicine. Now you're going to see a rather large list of resources here with a rather large number of results once we hit the search button. This is because we just searched literally everything in the library collection that has the ability of being found through our catalog. I think we can all agree that unless we're robots ourselves, this is simply way too much information to endlessly scroll and click through. We can initially look through our first few results and see if there's something we like, but after that, we need to either look for ways to refine our search or make use of the faceted searching on the left-hand side menu. By using the faceted searching on the left-hand side menu, we can limit in a variety of ways in order to help us refine our search. And one of the best ways is by material type. If you're looking for a book, ebook, article, streaming video, or other, you can easily do this by using the faceted searching. And this even indicates before you limit how many results you will narrow your search down to. For the purposes of this exercise, next we're going to limit by book, which will cover both print books and ebooks. You will notice this has reduced our results from 300,000 plus down to 631. Still a lot, but a bit more manageable, and for our purposes, this is just fine, since we are completing this keyword search to show off some resources in our collection that are a good starting point when trying to find information or choosing a topic in your holistic health classes. When looking to pull an item from our collection, you may find a variety of ways to do this. For physical materials, you're going to first confirm that it's available, then take note of the location and call number. Circulating collection items are physical materials that you can borrow and can take with you by checking them out at the circulation desk. You will also see other locations in here like AV storage, which is kept behind the circulation desk, and reference collection, which are materials that cannot be taken out of the library. but these are also things you wouldn't want to necessarily take home, since they are typically dictionaries, encyclopedias, and things where you would likely only want to make a copy of a specific section of the book. And fortunately, many of these are ebooks. Next, we are going to limit to just ebooks. If you're not on campus often, this is a great place for you to go, and we do have some excellent CAM titles in our ebook collection. They can all be accessed by clicking on the View ebook link, like the one just below Gale Encyclopedia of Alternative Medicine, which is one of the best titles to look at when reviewing different topic areas for your research projects. If you want more information on the titles that you are looking at in the catalog, you can click on their titles. You can also cite, link, email, or save your titles by clicking on the respective links located in the lower right-hand corner for each title. Lastly, in the event that you do not find anything worthwhile in our collection, you can expand your search to libraries worldwide. And this will allow you to literally search every library in the world that has shared their catalog with the Online Computer Library Center, or OCLC for short. This is the largest open public access catalog in the world, and you have it right at your fingertips. It can show you virtually everything that's out there, and if you have the time, allow you to find virtually anything that you need, at which point you will then have to place a request through Interlibrary Loan for anything we do not have. If you have questions, please be sure to contact me or check out our vast knowledge base of guides and tutorials for help on other exciting library and research related topics. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe for new and updated content as it goes live. And thank you very much for watching.